Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin US dollar index on the hourly time frame. And this is what we've been doing since Monday at 2 o'clock UTC when we entered this parallel channel heading upwards in the red here on the hourly time frame once again. What's really very interesting is that these trends in these parallel channels always seem to be foreshadowed candles earlier, depending on what time frame you're on. And here you can see that if you connect the top part of the channel to this low of this red candle on December 18th at 2 o'clock and the high right here on this candle December 18th at 6 o'clock. Those two highs from low to the high. And then pull the channel this width to here. Look what you get. Get a contact point here, contact point here, contact point here, here, as well as these on the center line. It's pretty clear. Contact up here, just about, pretty close. And so let's see what we're going to do here. Do we go boom or do we go boom? I don't know. The hour just started. We're 5 minutes into the hour. So let's see what happens. So once we got this signal here that foreshadowed this event here, we had to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I could just maybe do this. Well, that was at 6 o'clock there. All the way to the end of the day. So that's 18 hours. Plus now we are in the 7th hour. That's a whole day. Are you freaking serious? So we've traveled a whole day up in this channel. And boy, we are really stuck here. Isn't that interesting? How this candle knows it's making a big decision. Well, I'm going to get out of here because I don't want to look at the chart. It's like a watched pot, right? Whoa, it looks like it's getting greener than redder. I don't want to watch it. All right, so that's where we're at. Let's zoom out a little bit here. If we do follow that, maybe we do follow this channel up to the top of our orange parallel channel. So what we've done from today, actually, let's go over that too. What we did do in our downtrend here is come down and perfectly test the top of the green parallel channel that we had broken out of back here. Look at how we struggled to get above that. Actually, we probably had some more struggling back here somewhere. Not really. That was it. We did struggle with the blue channel. Breaking back into the blue channel. Where's my cursor? There we go. Struggled with it right there. I don't know if we struggled with it even. Yeah, we struggled with it quite a bit. Starting at about here. Well, not quite, but yeah. Right here, struggled getting back into the blue channel. I'm just going over this. If you've been watching the channel, you know all this. And then right here, where the blue and the green channel intersected, that's the bottom of the blue channel, the top of the green channel. It's where we decided to bust and move through. And we are leaving also this white channel behind. That's what we've done. You can see how we struggled with the white channel as well. Here, here, here. The white channel has been well traveled throughout the history of Bitcoin. It was a big move to leave this white channel behind. I had a real struggle with it. But we've left the white channel, we've left the green channel, and have entered the blue channel. And then what we did right here, we went up and did our kind of reset flag pattern here. We came back down and tested the top of the blue channel, up again, tested the top of the blue channel and failed because we wanted to test the top of the green channel again. And all this action just resetted our oscillator, our momentum oscillator, our oscillator indicators, and what have you. So here, retested the top of the green channel and then shot back up. This was kind of, not sure what to make of this yet because we did leave this orange channel that we had been traveling in since September. Whoops, I guess that's about as zoomed in as I can go on the 1 hour. This orange channel we've traveled in since all the way back when we started making this move here in September 8th. And this is the only time we've stepped out of it here. But we have come back into it. And hopefully are going to be following this channel back up to the top of it. Now, where does that get us? Okay, so we are in the blue channel with the base right here, center line right here at about 48,000, and the top of the blue channel is about 57,500. And that is the channel we are traveling in. And if we go back here in time, this is the channel we traveled in. Here we are. We fell out of it here. This should be August. Yep. We fell out of it here mid-August with that big dump. And the base of the blue channel is the long trend line that we held as support here since the FTX collapse. Since January really of, well, here we are. Wait a second here. There's, 2023. Yeah, I guess so we were traveling up on the top of the blue parallel channel. And then, you know what? And this is where we were starting to make a move. And then the FTX happened and collapsed us into the blue parallel channel. Anywho, so that's that. Fell out of the blue parallel channel there and came back up into it. And maybe following this orange back into the orange channel up this way somewhere. And let's zoom in to see where we're at. Oh, we're still in the green. That's nice. But we're still having a hard time here. But look at that. Maybe got 45 minutes in this hour. Maybe we'll form a nice candle upwards here. Like that up to maybe well, wouldn't that be interesting? Look, if we move up to 43.4, which is only about 500 points, or dollars, whatever, we would be right back here at the top, which is also, so 43,450 or so, which is also retesting these levels here. right there, 43,450. So that looks about right. I think this hour we will be coming. This will form a nice big green candle. You know what? If not, at least in the next hour, what is this? This is the 7 o'clock hour. Okay. The 8 o'clock hour. Oh, wait. This is the last hour in a 4 hour. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the last hour in a 4 hour candle. So 3, 2, 1. We need to get up to at least 43.80. You know what? Let's switch to a 4 hour. I drew this channel on the 1 hour, so when I switch to a 4 hour, it might change a little bit. I haven't looked at it on the 4 hour. Because actually back here, it was drawn on hours that weren't 4 hour, but whatever. It looks close enough. Yeah, so that's what our 4 hour candles look like. We do want to close above at least 43,066 or so. See, if we go to 450, that would be... Yeah, it's a little bit different when you're looking at it on different time frames. See, the center line here is at 240, and here it's at 690, and somewhere in between is where we're at. Because we're on the 3rd hour. Anyway. So, looking good. This nice green candle here. I like it. See how high it can go. If it can go up another 500 points, that would be awesome. That's probably what we want to see. I think that we would want to see it close above here and then start a new candle. Yeah, we'd want to start a new candle like it, we don't have to, 43.6 something. Anyway, starting a new candle body up above this resistance right here at 43,460 something. All right. I rambled on longer than I wanted to. All right. Like, subscribe. See you next time.